kind of living. You're either flat out or you're relaxing and resting. You kind of need a space where you can just relax and get away from everything. I think especially during month of May. It's like a marathon where the last mile is like 30% elevation and you have to sprint, and then the race is right at the end, and after that you're just like...
And then it's very nice to come home to a house that you really can relax in and enjoy.
And then you recover quick as well. If you truly like it, if you love your home, then you recover so much better.
And then you're ready for Detroit.
Then you go to Detroit after 2 days. Yeah, I really love our home now, and we both do. It's especially after the stuff we've done with California Closets, and as Emil said, like, it's timeless, efficient, a lot of storage.
With my closet, it's very nice that it's like very open and you can see the shoes and you can see everything just like how I like it, like almost like a little store. But as we did downstairs with your like office/gaming area, before it was like just a big computer, a big screen, and just a black desk and like a leather chair, like super boyish gaming corner. We don't want that. And now it looks like a classy, more office space with the computer is hidden and it's like built in.
I think actually the garage is my favorite. I think it turned out super nice, and I think the efficiency of everything is just so much easier. Like the laundry room, for example.
Yeah.
My closet, your closet. Like when we go traveling, for example, you have everything organized. You can just pick out what you want in like a minute, throw it down in a bag, and you're off to the races. And we love that. I think we connect on that front as well. We love to have it like nice and organized, and it just takes so much stress off your daily life.
Yeah.